Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your Lenovo Yoga 910, ensure you have the following tools ready: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power down your device and unplug it from any power source. Start by removing the back cover. Use the precision screwdriver to carefully unscrew the screws located around the perimeter of the laptop. Keep these screws organized as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the back cover and the body of the laptop. Carefully pry open the cover, taking care not to damage any clips that may be holding it in place. Once the back cover is off, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the USB-C connector. It's essential to clean the area around the connector using a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris that may interfere with the connection. If you find that the connector is damaged, you will need to replace it. To do this, use your tweezers to disconnect any cables attached to the USB-C port. Then, remove any screws holding the connector in place. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as you will need them for the new connector. If you don't have the necessary tools or are uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the old connector is removed, take your new USB-C connector and carefully position it in place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables that were attached to the old connector, ensuring they are firmly in place. It's crucial to double-check that everything is connected properly before reassembling the laptop. Now, it's time to put the back cover back on. Align it carefully with the body of the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, use your precision screwdriver to reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 910 to test the new USB-C connector. If it works as expected, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we provide a quote before the repair, ensuring transparency and no surprise costs. If you prefer not to attempt this yourself, don't hesitate to contact us. With our service, you won't have to make any calls or travel anywhere. We make it easy for you with our streamlined process. Enjoy your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.